Hello guys, my name is Titus from Nitro Concepts, and today I'm gonna show you the immersion haptic software. When you first start it up, you will be greeted by our tour, and it wants you to test your connection to the seat, which we'll do of course, and it will show that it is connected. Once you got to that point, you will see the general layout, and here you have in top left the currently active profile. Below that, the sliders for the intensities. And below that, you can select your profiles. On the top right side, you can find which game is running and if there is a new software available. Once you press Enter, you get going. And here you can do whatever you like. So let's say you just got in here and want to check it out. You will see your intensity. And once you go on track and find that it's too strong for you, you can turn it down and of course turn it up as well. If you want to fine-tune your experience, you can go to presets and either choose the immersive or competitive profile. Immersive means all effects are active, and competitive means it is just the ABS and the wheel slip effect active. Or you can choose off our custom profiles. So you can see there are some for AC and ACC here. Or you can even create your own, which we'll do up here when you press Create. And there, for the title, we type in test. As the author, it will be me. And for the game, I will just choose ACC. And for the tag, I will do it for the Ferrari for now. Tag is optional, so you don't need to do that. But I like to name my profiles after cars or tag them via my cars. And then you press Save. And you can see your profile here. It will appear on the bottom, or depends on which name you gave it, in the custom presets. Then, if you want to fine-tune it now, you can go to Adjust and choose which effects are active here. So that means you can do it however you like and even fine-tune which zones are used or not used. And you can do it for the seat and for the back individually and do whatever you like. This is just an example, so don't copy what I do here. And once you're happy, you press Save, and it's saving to the device, and you're good to go. And now you can change the intensity on its own again, and that means you're good to go racing. It's that easy.